videos back, my wife wanted me to do this video on real quick espresso, how to make espresso. She didn't know one of these pots existed. Basically Amazon, 10-12 bucks. Comes with a little coffee basket in here. All you're going to do is put your water in to the bottom of the basket. If you got too much in there, put your finger over it, pour the excess off. That's it. Okay, real quick. Fill your basket with your espresso. I tend to like Bustelo. Bustelo is a very good brand of espresso. Okay, lightly pack it in there. The excess off the rim. Screw the top on it. Just get a nice seal, about a quarter turn after it stops turning. Like, well, put it on a high heat, and I'll be back. Hey guys, back to the espresso coffee. Use a quick pot of espresso. Again, I filled the basket just to underneath, and you'll see it starts to steam real quick. This took under 10 minutes on high heat. As soon as it starts to do that, you're good. Easy 1, 2, 3 pot of espresso. Sugar, no sugar. I'm gonna have a little biscotti with mine. I'm making my wife an Americano. That smells so good. Espresso with biscotti. Shows you guys how to make a quick pot of espresso. About 12 bucks, Amazon, delivered right to your door. Check this out. You get the can of Parfait Bustelo and biscotti, twice baked cookies, right? Nice and dry. If you guys could smell this, I can't explain it. It's like possibly the most tasty thing I've ever had. Double dunk. Slightly sweet espresso with this almond cookie. Oh man. It really is divine. Drink a pot of espresso every day. It'll wake you up. Peace. Enjoy your espresso.